Hola. ¿Qué es este?
Pipitas.
¿Pitas? ¿Cuánto cuesta por uno?
10.
10, bueno, sí.
¿Te doy?
Sí, 10.
¿Va a comer aquí?
Sí, ¿es posible a otro lugar o necesito comer aquí?
No, pues llévate en
Sí,
bolsita.
sí, yo puedo.
Ya.
Sí, gracias.
¿Pura papa o popote?
No sé, ¿cuál es más sabroso?
Los dos.
¿Los dos? Sí, sí, los dos, por favor. Sí, sí, sí.
¿Ya, Juan?
¿Qué es este?
Este es locote de maní.
Sí, por favor, sí, sí. Sí. Muchas gracias. Gracias, que tengan buen día.
Ya,
Chao.
gracias. ¿Sí?
Okay, so I'm here with what I think is limpitas. I think she said. I might be wrong. My Spanish is very bad, but it looks like sort of cuts of intestines. I've got no cutlery and it's been put in a plastic bag, so I've got some extra free microplastics as well to go with it. So here we are in Sucre, Bolivia, with the weird-looking meat, potatoes, corn. So let's give it a taste. Here in Bolivia with something that looks quite precarious. Is it limpitas? I'm not sure. Let's give it a taste. You can see the veins and it dripping off it. If it is intestines, it tastes nicer than the intestines I cooked in Argentina by myself. It comes with potatoes and a big chunk of what I think is beef as well. But the beef is very soft. The intestines are a bit chewy, and I think this is maize, like corn. It's quite tasty actually. Trying to get a piece with peanut sauce on. I think this is one with mani sauce soaked at the bottom. That last piece of what I think is intestine that I was struggling to eat had a spicy sauce on it. There wasn't like a peanut sauce. However, this is my type of meal that I would usually eat, so I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10.